Hello, my name is Mizar, and this is my submission for Project 2 Commerce, part of CS50 web programming. Welcome to my demonstration of the auction app, developed as part of CS50. On the homepage, we can see all active auction listings, each showing its title, description, current price, and image. Now I will create a new listing. I enter a title, description, a starting bid, category, and an auction image. After submitting, the new listing immediately appears on the homepage. Clicking on a listing takes us to its dedicated page. Here we can see all details, including the current price, the option to add or remove the item from the watchlist, the bidding form, and the comments section. I will place a valid bid that is higher than the current price. The system updates the price instantly. If I try to place an invalid bid lower than the required amount, the system displays an error message. Now I will add this item to my watchlist. On the watchlist page, all saved items are displayed. I can also remove the item and it disappears from the list. On the same listing page, I can add a comment. The comment is saved and displayed along with the others. As the creator of this listing, I have the option to close the auction. When I do, the system declares the highest bidder as the winner and marks the listing as inactive. If the current user is a winner, the page clearly indicates. On the categories page, all available categories are listed. Clicking on one shows only the active listings that belong to that category. Finally, through the Django admin interface, an administrator can view, add, edit, and delete listings, bids, and comments. This provides full control over the site's data. This concludes the demonstration of the Commerce Auction app. The project fulfills all requirements of the CS50 web specification and has been tested with both positive and negative cases. Thank you for watching.